surroundings. She's perfectly adapted to her rocky environment and moves quickly and surely across the uneven terrain.
Que lindo,
Her
Petrogala.
ability to scale rocks and leap is what sets her apart from other wallaby and
Que
kangaroo families.
lindo. Ele
Making
pula
great use of her
bastante,
powerful
né?
feet and tail, she almost defies gravity,
Que
moving effortlessly from
lindo.
one rock to the next. The pads on her feet are thick and highly granulated, allowing her to grip the hard, steep surface. The long tail also acts as a counterbalance and a rudder. This doting mom keeps her curious Joey well out of harm's way. He'll stay in the pouch for up to 6 months. She often hides the young Joey in the rock crevices while she goes out to forage for food. By the age of 1, he'll be completely independent of mom. The allied rock wallabies of Magnetic Island are one of so many amazing creatures calling the Great Barrier Reef home. While the saltwater crocodile is better known as a river dweller, it's not unusual for them to venture offshore and to visit neighboring islands. Sometimes their decision to head offshore is not by choice.